Hey everyone, Garrod here from Klipfolio. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the array function and the lookup function in order to have a custom order in your labels field. Let's get started. So the data we're going to be using today is going to be from a sales funnel. So for our values, we're going to select column D or the count. In column C, we're going to select the labels. Now when we group this data, as you can see, the data is not in order, or the order that we would like it. So if we want to readjust this order to match how our sales funnel is structured, what we can do is we can use an array function. So in the labels field, we're going to be using an array function. And inside of this array function, we're going to type out the stages in the order we want them to appear. So very first, we're going to have visitors. Next, interactions. Then we will have our leads. And finally, our wins. Now, because this has just been manually input into an array function, it has no relation to the data or the values in our data source. In our values field, we're going to use a lookup. Now this isn't just the ordinary lookup, because we have multiple values or multiple records for each type. So as you can see, we have wins for January and we have wins for February. If we didn't use a group and group by, then we would only get the very first count. So what we're going to do is in our first parameter, we're going to reference our label series. In the second parameter, we are going to group our column C or our type. And finally, in our third parameter of the group by, we are going to group our column D or our count by the type. So as you can see, it's grouped our wins, so 937 and 856, correctly in the funnel. And that's it. So as you can see, we use the array function in our labels field in order to custom sort how we wanted the labels to appear. I'll leave some links in the description box below that could be helpful in explaining some of the concepts used in this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and ensure to subscribe to the channel. Happy dashboarding!